I'm not sure where I want to stay for a few days, but I figure I'd kind of walk around and see what's here. Maybe ask him here. I see a little cartoon on the wall. Is that from the far side? That way over there? You recognize that, or is that something else? This is off the beaten path, man. This is really off the beaten path. So this was a little touristy spot at one point, I think. Maybe before things got real slow. All right, so this looks to be the main street right in here. So welcome, Joy's old friends. Remember to turn right there and at the gecko. So where do we want to go? Good question. Where do we want to go? Let's walk down this way a little bit. So I believe the river is down this way somewhere here. So without my phone off the gimbal, I can't really look at the GPS, figure out where I'm at. So I'm gonna just poke down here a little bit and see if the river's just right off to my right. Use this area. I chose this area because there's a walking street down here, there's a park, there's a river, there's a downtown, and I figure if I come down here, I can just kind of vlog everything at once, and that was kind of my ultimate goal. But these places tend to look 50% better in the pictures than they do when you get to them. So kind of disappointed for what I see, but I'm not paying a lot either, so I got nothing to really complain about. And if I want to choose something different, I may do that. But I want to see the place first. I'll physically go walking around and looking for a different place. All right, so this is Krabi, part of it. Just keep looking, figure out where we're at and what we see. It's pretty slow. It's not nearly as slow as Phuket, though. So I like this area just a little bit better for staying. Right in here, maybe. So I may move up. It all depends. There is a main tourist area about 10 kilometers away, but it may be completely deserted with just a few things open, and I kind of want to avoid that. I'd rather be where the locals are and things are going on than have it be totally deserted. At least there's some life in here. That's kind of what I'm looking for. Some life. Hello? All right, so we're almost to the walking street in the river where the giant crab for Krabi is. That's where we're headed. Got to see the main landmarks while we're here. Kind of get a feel for the city. This is the river. We're going to come back to this. So it looks like a left, a right, and a left to get to the walking street. So that's what we're going to do first. I didn't even know they had a walking street here. But usually that's where the nightlife is. A lot of restaurants are and things to do. So figure, why not? Let's look. Everything's closed down, but at least I can kind of see what it looked like at one time. Maybe you're curious too if you're familiar with this area and you're wondering what's going on the street now. I have a nice looking place, the Ealot Coffee House. So there you get your massage, 250 baht. That's pretty good. Maybe I'll do a foot massage later. 250 baht, that would be worth it. I'm not sure they're open though. No, looks like they're closed. Yeah, a lot of places are closed. Even that little mall right there is closed. All right, left, right, left. So they have the sewers underneath the sidewalk, just like the Philippines has. So it's similar in a lot of ways. Get a little nervous walking on these because if one of these tips over, you're gonna go in the drink there. So I'll walk on this section here instead. All right, you guys, so I guess this is it here. See what's rolling. Hello? It looks to be just a small loop. Yeah, I don't know what they had up here. They had the dancing girls at the terraces, I don't know. Kind of makes you wonder though, right? Who knows what went on? Maybe not, but I'm just gonna have a man fantasy, I guess. Looks like they had some vendors that they would set up. Maybe they had tents. I don't know, I was kind of expecting more of a bar type atmosphere. And maybe that's what these buildings were. I'll have to look in the videos and see what went on down here. Really couldn't tell you. Must have been pretty tame compared to some of the other parts of Thailand. Yeah, that's about it. That is about it, you guys. Best I can tell. So there is a sign up here for the stage. Looks like they maybe had some kind of live music up here at one point. Krabi walking street. So I don't know about you guys, but when I'm traveling, I kind of give myself a little bit of a budget, and I blow the budget because maybe the ride traveling from some place was really expensive. Then I kind of tend to go the other way, find cheap room, find cheap food, and just kind of make up for it and come back. But some of these places have kind of gone hard the other way, maybe a little too hard. Stay in some places that I normally wouldn't stay in, or eat some simple foods, but you know, I'm okay with that too. I just don't like to be irresponsible with money if I don't have to. And I also don't like to have big surprises when it comes to bills or people giving me a ride and then all of a sudden, and all of a sudden it was a lot more money than I thought. That happens. It looks like they have a little market down here. Let's check it out. Oh, it's pretty good size, actually. Looks like it used to really be hopping at one point. This is the first Thailand market I've been to. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Good. Thank you. Ah, I see. What are these?
Tatal.
Ah, you eat the seed or no?
Seed, yeah, it's seed inside.
Ah, is it fruit or vegetable?
Vegetable.
Ah, do you cook in soup?
With curry.
Oh, curry. Okay. I have to.
Curry.
Ah, interesting. Maybe I think about that next time when I'm hungry.
Fry with shrimp.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Thank you. Maybe.
Pork with shrimp. Fry with shrimp.
Nice. Maybe next time when I'm hungry, I come here.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Thank you.
Cheap price.
Oh, it's very cheap. So how much for 140?
30 baht. With egg 40 baht.
Oh, very cheap.
With seafood 40 baht. With egg 50.
Ah, good price.
Yeah.
Good price. Maybe I come back.
COVID now.
Yeah.
Cheap price.
Very bad. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Ah, thank you.
Where
Thank
you
you.
come from?
American. Thank you. So this is a good market. Look at the size of this, you guys. It's pretty big. So when this is going, it's really going. But like she said, with COVID, prices are really low. They have to stay competitive. Otherwise, they won't have a business. It's really tough. Hello, sir. So I don't know if this is like a Sunday market or a Saturday market. I'll have to ask when I see somebody again. Yeah, I've seen that in the Philippines, that style. Some people are still open. All right, so these are the meals they have right now. 40 baht, so that's for shrimp, chicken, or fried shell. Not sure what fried shell is. Or you can have pad thai shrimp for 40, pad thai chicken, or fried shell again for 40. Let's see. Hello. I see what you have. I look today, but maybe I eat later. Thank you. So market open Saturday, Sunday, when?
Holiday.
Oh, today holiday? Oh, okay, okay. Thank you. Oh, I didn't know. Today's a holiday. Hello? Hello? All right, well, I guess I'll have to come back here then when it's busy. Today's the holiday. I wanted to just see some of these fruits here. The cool thing about Asia is they got some of the most outstanding fruit you'll ever be able to eat. It's just as fresh as you can get it. Bananas every day. Fresh bananas every day. Looks to be some kind of a melon there, or a cantaloupe, I'm not sure. Dragon fruit. All right, I'll just buzz through here. Lanzonis, it's a pretty good size. He's got some, sometimes they'll cut up the, hello? They'll cut up the watermelon. You can just buy it already cut up. You just go for it, eat it away. Ah, here we go. Hello? Ah, thank you. How are you guys? Yeah, 7-Eleven's open. That's a good sign, right? The 7-Elevens are closed, then you gotta wonder. All right. So the one gal was saying that the Asians were really scared. And that's why they closed from COVID, because they're very family oriented here, and they want to lose any family, and I don't blame them. So this Phuket sandbox seems to be a completely working entity, because if you think about it, out of about 12,000 people, only 29 had any kind of a COVID that came through. And how do you beat those numbers anywhere? You can't. So I think if every place in Asia had that and started using that to bring people in, then once they're clear after 14 days, they're ready to go anywhere. That would easily get things moving forward and build confidence back, because it's going to take a while to dispel that fear that these people have been living under for 2 years. All right, you guys, we're going to go to their main park here. Check this out. So I don't know if this is like an inlet to the ocean or what exactly this is. Very muddy out there, so I can't walk out there. Oh, there's one of those long-tail shaft boats. Very cool. I'm digging that. These boats are on the dry land now because the tide is out. Look at those monoliths out in the distance. That is so cool. Now that's what I see when I think of Asia in my mind's eye. These really steep, jutting, monolith-type rock formations. Just incredible. We're up seeing National Geographic and the faded photos back from the 70s. I remember those formations. They're really unique, I think, to this area. So really looking forward to seeing that. Making our way. So Krabi must mean crab. So I would imagine there's crab in here from this inlet of the bay. It's maybe a very popular crabbing area. Maybe that's how this town sprang up, from crab. So they have some dock out there, but it appears to be closed at this time. So now there's a giant sculptural crab up here, and that's kind of where I'm headed. I want to get that in my shot, and then I'll feel like I arrived. Hey guys, so no sense coming to Krabi and not seeing the giant crab, right? And then the little mini baby crab. What do you think of that? Got your baby crab with the big daddy crab. I don't know, you guys. Something. Funeral, I don't know. So I think maybe the port is down this way. Look at that beautiful spot on the river. It's got a big pontoon business. Doesn't look like anything's going on there. Kind of feel sorry for these people, you know? How do you keep a place like that going? No business. Amazing. Hear that boat out in the distance? Yeah, he's giving it a run. Cool. Low tide. Seeing these little things moving. Let's see if I can zoom in. Looks to be like maybe baby crabs or something in here. See it? That's pretty cool. They're all over this place. So this is the place of the crab, Krabi. Totally makes sense. Not many baby crabs here. This place is probably just loaded with crabs. I imagine this place has got some huge crabs in it. Looks to be more of like a park up here. Hello? Oh, not today. Thank you, though. Not. I just walk around a little. What do you charge? How much do you charge?
1 hour.
For 1 hour, what do you charge?
Give you only 300 baht.
That's a good price. Maybe tomorrow I come.
Oh, today better.
That's what they all say.
500, but they give you only 300.
Ah.
Keep.
Hey, Vern.